Well, welcome to Epiacum Roman Fort, or at least in the land next to Holymire Basel, between Holymire up there and Whitlow down here. And we're doing a new archaeological dig. This is day one, and I've got Richard here, who's got a nice plan.
Yes, so here we are on the south side of the Roman fort, which is up there, and this is in an area which has been identified as, in the past, as possibly two things. First, an Iron Age settlement over on the west side of this area, and then on the east side, a possible remains of a Roman cemetery. But in fact, we don't know what it is. There are various features, cut features, mounds, circular embankments, which could be Roman funerary, but it could be part of a larger than expected Iron Age settlement. They're our best guesses at the moment. So this is just day one. We've taken off the turf. We're down to some features, some stone banks, and some cobbled surfaces, and we'll just carry on until we get some dating evidence and work out what exactly we've got.
Great. I'll just pan round and show people. So we're opening at least 6 trenches. We've got one there, one over here, and up on the bank. These are very prominent features in the landscape. So this, I think, is trench 3, and it's got a nice ditch and bank leading up to the central part. It looks a bit like a burial mound, but it's early days. We do have some flagging at the top and centre. You see how it falls away down the hill. It's a prominent position on the landscape, this. It may be Iron Age, maybe Roman. We'll see. No finds yet. As I say, it's early days.
White, yeah, but it dries out as well. It's sort of
okay, this is trench 4, furthest away one at the minute. I'm digging down and found this surface. Whether it's man-made or whether it is bedrock remains to be seen. There's a definite layer and a bank. You see that bank running round there.